Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to withdraw money from Binance to your bank account. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. So withdrawing from your Binance account into your bank account is actually pretty simple. You just need to follow the following steps that we'll be showing you for you to withdraw. Now first things first is we first have to convert our cryptocurrency into a stablecoin. Now, stablecoins are similar or kinda in the same currency or in the same cost or value with the money that we have right now. Now, in this case, first thing is you have to go to trade here, go to spot, and under spot, what we need to do is we need to convert our currency. So in this case, if you're converting, if you have Bitcoin, what you need to do here is just type in BTC. And from here, we should be able to see the available stablecoin. Now, in this case, we have USDT here, TUSD, and a lot more, but we'll be using USDT here. So let's go ahead and choose that one. Now, once you've chosen that, and you're now in that specific chart, just scroll down a bit here, and you want to convert the following BTC that you have right now. Like for example, you want to convert your sell your BTC here. So let's say we have around maybe around 0.01 BTC. Just to give you an example, this is just an example. So once you've done that, what we need to do here is we want to go ahead and just click on sell BTC. And once we've sold our BTC, we want to go ahead and wait for the USDT to arrive to our account. Now, in this case, once the USDT arrives in our account, what we need to do is we need to go to our wallet here. So at the top right, we want to hover over this one, and you want to go ahead and go to spot. Now, once you've clicked on spot, this is where you also be able to verify that you have or you've received your USDT. So in this case, make sure that you receive your USDT. But once you've done that, the next thing we want to do is we want to basically convert this into a different wallet. So at the top right of your screen, you should see a transfer button. Go ahead and click on it. And from here, you want to choose fiat and spot. And you want to change the to section into the section for funding. So let's go ahead and click on it. Now from here, coin, change this to USDT. So click on Ethereum here and change this to USDT. Now once you've done that, enter the amount that you want to transfer. Either click on max here, or you could go ahead and manually enter that. And from here, just click on confirm and wait for it to be transferred. Now in this case, you could go ahead and go to assets here, and you want to go to the funding wallet here. And once you're under the funding wallet, you have to ensure that you've received your USDT. But once you've done that, what we need to do next is we need to go to the trade section again, and you want to go to P2P. Now under P2P, what we need to do next is we need to go to sell here, click on sell. And from here, click on OK if there are any notifications here. But make sure that you read into it first to see if you're affected. But for now, I want to go ahead and just allow this one. And from here, we want to change the currency into USD or USD. So let's just change this one. And from here, we want to go ahead and enter or select a specific vendor or a specific merchant that we want to buy from. So there are going to be minimums whenever you're converting something. Like for example, for this specific merchant that we have right now, we have around $100, which is the minimum that you could basically sell here. We also have 300 and 400. Also, this is their conversion rate right now, so the price for it. So for each USDT that you'll be selling, you'll be receiving the following amount. Now in this case, if you want to buy from this or convert from this merchant, just click on the sell USDT here. Now also, if you don't see your payment section here, as you can see, bank transfer, perfect money, well, you could actually change to this to another bank that you have right now. So specifically, if you're searching for a specific bank, like for example, I want to say BPI. So this is a bank in the Philippines, so you could go ahead and just type in what you have right now. And once you've typed that out, just press on enter, and that should bring up all the available merchants that has a specific conversion. Now in this case, just click on sell USDT here, fill out any necessary details like the amount of USDT you want to sell. Just click on all if you want to sell that all, and you receive the following input or the following USDT here, so that you'll be able to basically see it first. Now from here, just click on the section here for you to choose your bank. But once you've done that, you could go ahead and just click on sell USDT, and you'll be redirected to another window wherein you'll be able to have a conversation and reach out to the specific merchant. And from there, just interact with them, just follow the steps, all you need, and you should be able to withdraw your money from Binance into your bank account. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.